Hello friends, today I'd like to guide how to transcribe video to text for free. So just Google it, transcribe video to text freely. Then there is some site. Just let's open some website. So let's upload a video. I have my video ready actually on the download section. This is the video. Yeah, so it's being uploaded. Another tool, upload a file, open. English. Yeah, just preparing your upload and transcribe. The video is already uploaded. I need to log in. So let's log in using my Gmail. Continue. Continue. Here the file is already uploaded. Processing. Yeah, uploading. Anyway, accept all. Then here is the video, uploaded video in the happyscribe.com. Then I need to click on the video and then I should get the content. So here is the overall content in that video, and we can also rewrite this content through AI and make another video regarding the content. And here is the uploaded video, uploaded in unsubscribe.co. Then transcribe for free. Yeah, transcribing, it's taking just some time. Yeah, here is the content. So this is very simple. We can just use these tools, HappyScribe and unsubscribe to transform text from video. Thank you.